Hi everyone, it's Nicole and I'm here with the new digital prints available in our shop this week. We're keeping that fall theme going, and this week it is apples. So you have the 2-inch apples that come in red, yellow, and green. And then you have a sheet of different sizes. You have the 1.5, 1.25, and 1-inch apple in the yellow, in the green, and in the red. Then we made it so that we have big die cuts so that you can use them to frame your photos. It's a great thing to, put a photo, and then this is the beginning of your embellishment cluster. So we have it in yellow, red, and green. And then I wanted some cutesy apples. So we have some cartoon style apples. So we have them again in the 3 sizes, and in the green, the red, and the yellow. And then we have the 2-inch apple. And then we have the bigger apples in the green, the yellow, and the red. And then I wanted him to at least do one. We might do the other leaves too, but we'll see. This is the maple leaf, and it's done in a cartoon style, so it's a whole lot easier to cut out if you want to cut it out. And again, these files are made so that you can either cut them out or you can punch them out. So this would be a 1.5-inch punch. Then you have the 1.25-inch punch. So you would just punch it through. And then the 1-inch punch. Now, the apples, same thing. 1.5-inch punch. You can cut it out and you can center your apple. And then the 1.25. You can punch it out. And then the 1-inch. Now, one thing that I want to mention is we're listening. Somebody mentioned, and I can't remember who it was, and I'm really sorry about that, but some of our files had, like the bigger files, they had 2 leaves on it, so there's quite a bit of waste of paper. So I got Josh to go back, and he fixed that, and now there's 4 per sheets, or in the case of the maple leaf, there's 3 per sheets, or in this case, there's 6 per sheets. Now, if you've ordered these, in the next couple of days, I'm going to go back into my store and I can regenerate the file, and we've replaced all the files, so you'll get the new files. So you'll get the files with the more leaves per page. And the last digital print for this week are these cute acorns. So they come in 3 different sizes. So you have the 2-inch size, then you have the 1.5, the 1.25, and 1-inch. And again, you can use your punch and punch them out. Let me like this. So you can punch them out, or you can fussy cut them. They're super easy to fussy cut. So we have the 2-inch, and then this has a variety of different sizes. And then you have the humongous ones where you can use as a big die cut on your layout, or you can use them to sort of frame your photos, and you can use it as an embellishment foundation. So these are all the different die cuts, digital die cuts that are available this week. And just a reminder, tomorrow it's my virtual crop. There's still time to sign up. And we're going to be scrapping from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. Atlantic daytime. If you just put it in Google, You can find out what time zone, how that affects your time zone, or what time to what time it is in your time zone. And also, I've had tons of questions. Will the videos be there after? Yes, the videos will be there. I will note on every single video which challenge it's for. So basically from challenge, I might have like challenge 1 and 2 together. So I have a link in the description box below, NicoleJones91.com, and you just go to classes, virtual crop, and then make sure to, sign up right away for the Facebook group so that we can get that going. I have probably about 25 people that haven't signed up yet for the Facebook group. So don't forget to do that. We don't want to be panicking in the morning to try to get everybody signed up so that we can get the crop going. One more thing I'll mention is make sure that you log into Facebook and then click on the link and then ask to join. And that's it. I want to thank you so much for watching. Bye.